Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do my second What I Eat in a Day video as a vegan. So here it is. So for breakfast I am having vegan blueberry yogurt with some granola and some strawberries. I am also adding some hemp seeds. And that is it for breakfast. For lunch, I am adding a whole can of chickpeas and about a half a can of black beans, chopped onions, and some chopped up cilantro. I am also adding chopped up tomatoes and some salt and pepper, dried garlic, vinegar, and olive oil. And oh my gosh, you guys, it is so good. I totally recommend it. I also ate some watermelon along with my lunch. So for dinner, I peeled some beets and sliced them. And I also washed potatoes and sliced them as well. I mixed together the beets and potatoes along with some coconut oil, salt, pepper, and rosemary. Tastes excellent with this as well. Then I put some foil on top of it and set the oven at 350 degrees and waited until the potatoes and beets were tender. I also had a salad along with this meal. Okay, so that is it. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it and hit that subscribe button down below to see more videos like this. I plan to continue making more What I Eat in a Day videos, so keep your eyes peeled for that. And I have a lot more videos planned for the future, and I'm trying to post one at least once a week. That's not really happening right now, but hopefully, it's almost summer break, so hopefully I can get in that schedule. So, yeah, bye guys!